I decided to do my presentation on environmental issues. The 1970s was an important era for America and environmental issues. During that decade, Congress passed the Clean Water Act and the Endangered Species Act. Also, President Richard Nixon established the Environmental Protection Agency, and in 1970, Wisconsin Senator Gaylord Nelson created Earth Day, which is recognized every year on April 22nd. Now, there are numerous factors and elements that go into what is considered environmental issues, some of them being pollution, renewable energy, greenhouse gases, rising sea level, waste, clean water, resource depletion, and global warming. Now, the United States and numerous other countries believe that environmental issues are a top priority right now. Billions of people live on one Earth. We have limited time to help make imperative changes so that our Earth is healthy and can support future generations. A majority of Americans support protecting the environment, but there's a deep partisan divide on the issue. According to Pew Research Center, in 2017, 75% of U.S. adults believe that the country should do whatever it takes to protect the environment, while 25% believe that the country has gone too far with its efforts to protect the environment. Now, regardless of where you stand on this issue, one of the main problems is that there's just a general lack of awareness of the severity of environmental issues and the lack of time we have to make changes. While new technology is often credited with helping to solve environmental issues by alleviating pollutants, the internet is essential to helping create awareness to these problems. Without awareness, there aren't individuals to help support and create new technologies to help combat these problems. The internet is a huge affordance because it's easy to access and reaches millions of people every day. There are social media sites that can help share imperative information and research articles. There are online news sources that can share information, and numerous videos that are shared every day. Technology and environmental policies are two markets that have to work together in order to make any type of change. Technology cannot be funded if it's not supported or backed by environmental policies, and environmental policies cannot be supported unless there's awareness from the general population. Awareness is essential to help backing environmental policies, which help fund technology to combat these environmental issues. Now, there are numerous advantages and disadvantages of using the internet. Some advantages are you can reach a large population very fast. Also, information and research can be shared and accessed faster and at any time of the day. Also, individuals can become educated by sharing and reading research articles, activist posts, or watching videos. And individuals can make changes and show their support for these issues and activists and researchers and scientists. A few disadvantages are information can be overlooked. On the internet, individuals are hit with thousands of information every day, and so it's really simple for a few environmental issue research articles or posts to get overlooked. Another one is individuals may not make any changes. Someone may see an article that has been shared 200,000 times and might not think they can make a difference. And there's also an opportunity for a greater partisan divide. On the internet, there's a huge opportunity for polarization, which then could affect polarization on environmental issues. While there are many possible solutions that technology can solve for these environmental issues, there are numerous solutions that everyday people like us could do. One, we can use our platforms. We have access to social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We can use our platforms to use our voice to make a difference. On the internet, you can continue to not overlook information. Use that time to ask questions about articles you see or videos and become more educated on these topics. Then we can begin to make small changes to support the environment, and we can help support environmental policies. Now, these are a few small changes that we can do every day that could help combat environmental issues?